Most fighters shadowbox wrong. They just throw random punches at the air. But when you shadowbox the right way, like the pros, you sharpen your speed, your defense, your timing, and your fight IQ. This video breaks down how to achieve shadowboxing mastery, the principles, the drills, the routines, and the common mistakes to avoid. Welcome back to the channel, where we make fight training practical and real. If you're stuck at the basic jab cross shadowboxing, stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll know how to shadowbox like a fighter preparing for a title fight. What makes shadowboxing advanced? It's not just offense. It's offense plus defense plus footwork. It's not just throwing combos, it's simulating real fight dynamics. It's not just cardio, it's training your brain under pressure. The goal: move, defend, counter, and think like you're in the ring. Key principles: visualization of opponent. Always imagine who you're fighting, their stance, reach, attacks. Picture openings for attack and how you'd close off their counters. Footwork and angles don't stay in one lane. Pivot, circle, step in, step out. Throw a combo, then exit at an angle. Don't stand still. Defense built in slip, roll, parry, block after your combos. Train responses like you're under fire, not just attacking. Speed and tempo variation. Some rounds, fast bursts. Other rounds, slow, technical, refining form. Accuracy and level change target head, body, liver, chin. Don't just punch vaguely. Mix feints with real shots to sharpen deception. Breathing and rhythm. Exhale on strikes. Inhale in recovery. Stay relaxed. Don't burn out your arms and shoulders. Advanced shadowboxing drills, slip and counter reaction. Plus timing. Visualize a jab, slip it, then counter. Add feints. Angle creation attack off centerline throw combo, pivot, change direction, re-attack. Speed intervals, hand speed under fatigue, 20 sec all-out punches, 15 sec rest, repeat. Endurance rounds, stamina, plus form 3 to 5 times 3 minutes rounds. Keep sharp even when tired. Defense only defensive reflexes 1 round. Only slip, roll, parry, footwork. Mirror, video feedback technique correction. Record yourself, check balance, guard, footwork. Resistance shadowboxing explosive power. Use light bands or weights for added resistance. Sample mastery routine. Warm-up, 5 minutes jump rope. Dynamic stretch round 1, 3 minutes. Fundamentals, jab, cross footwork round 2, 3 minutes. Defense only round 3, 3 minutes speed burst. Round 4, 3 minutes. Angles plus level change round 5, 3 minutes. Resistance, serious opponent. Visualization, round 6, 3 minutes. Freestyle, offense plus defense plus counters repeat, 2 to 3 cycles. Stamina building cooldown, 5 minutes, stretch plus. Breathing reset 5. Common mistakes: punching with no intent or target, staying flat-footed, ignoring defense, moving randomly with no purpose, forgetting visualization. Why it matters. When you shadowbox with mastery, your reactions get sharper, your footwork gets cleaner, your defense becomes instinctive, and your confidence skyrockets. You're not just training your body, you're training your fight mind. Try this mastery routine for 1 week and let me know in the comments how it feels. And if you want a printable shadowboxing mastery checklist with these drills step by step, drop a comment saying mastery and subscribe so you don't miss it.